The human immune system protects the body, keeping out foreign organisms. The human immune system also looks at the body itself, at each cell that makes up the body, searching for abnormal cells, including cancer cells that present a danger to the rest of the body. Every moment of every day, your immune system seeks out and destroys bacterial, viral, and cancer cells. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness and cancer. On tonight's show, I'm going to discuss many ways you can keep your immune system strong and how some lifestyle habits and drugs like antibiotics can weaken your immune system. You may be surprised to find out that 3/4 of your immune system is found within the walls of your intestine, from your mouth to your lower intestine. Your intestinal digestive tube is so large that if it was removed from the body and spread out, it would cover around the same surface area as a tennis court, where all this gut lymph tissue is found. The main function of the immune system is to decide what food gets absorbed and what gets eliminated. And 3/4 of your immune system is found within the digestive tract, deciding what gets absorbed and what gets eliminated. The other major function of the immune system is to respond when it comes in contact with something that does not belong in the body. It has to get rid of it. Your immune system has cancer-fighting cells that are constantly patrolling the body, searching for abnormal cell growth, including cancer cells that threaten the rest of the body. The most numerous cancer-fighting cell in the body is a CD8 white blood cell that is the workhorse of your immune system. A CD8 white blood cell can attack infected cells and remove tumor cells from the body. There's another type of white blood cell called the natural killer cell that contains powerful enzymes able to remove cancer cells from the body. Natural killer cells make up 10% of all your white blood cells. The primary function of natural killer cells is removing tumor cells from the body. Natural killer cells are probably the body's best defense against cancer. Another way the body rids itself of tumor cells is by attaching antibodies to them, which flags them, making them stick out and easier for the immune system to locate and remove. There are also specialized white blood cells that protect a specific organ or area of the body. Alveolar macrophages, liver Kupffer cells, lymphatic macrophages, bone osteoclasts, synovial A cells, blood macrophages, brain microglial cells, spleen macrophages, kidney mesangio-phagocytes, and connective tissue histocytes. The newborn baby's immune system is like a new business before it opens. It is not nearly formed and is in the gathering and delegating stages. The newborn baby gathers immunoglobulins from its mother's milk colostrum in the first few weeks of breastfeeding. The baby's bone marrow and thymus are busy producing white blood cells, which are sent to the spleen and liver for programming. Unlike successful business, the baby's immune system is not fully developed until age 2. Because the baby's immune system is not full strength until age 2, many countries such as Japan have delayed the onset of national vaccinations until age 2. The countries that have delayed the start of their vaccinations immediately saw a 50% decrease in vaccine reactions, including autism, learning disorders, and other neurological problems. Normal, healthy immune system function is dependent upon an adequate supply of protein in the diet and the ability of your digestive system to break down and absorb the protein you're eating. All white blood cells and immunoglobulins are made from protein. In order for your body to make enough of these immune cells for normal immune system function, you must have not only enough protein in the diet, but the digestive ability to break down and absorb the proteins you're eating. Most people with a weakened immune system do not have the digestive ability to break down protein and make enough of these immune cells for normal immune system function. Repetitive antibiotic use is the #1 cause of digestive problems in children and adults. Health begins and ends with normal digestion. Here are some of the side effects and disorders caused by antibiotic use. Dentists often prescribe antibiotics after treatments. An option for dental patients who prefer not to take antibiotics is daily antibacterial mouthwash with a natural antibiotic such as propolis or colostrum, which have no negative side effects on the digestive or immune system. But if you have taken antibiotics, the best way to make sure you do not have the negative side effects is to replenish the beneficial bacteria the antibiotics kill off. The beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, are an important part of our digestive and immune system that keep out harmful bacteria as well as produce 9 vitamins plus digestive enzymes in the body. You cannot get these from eating store-bought yogurt because store-bought yogurt is pasteurized, which means it's heated up to around 200 degrees for about 10 minutes, which kills off all the bacteria that was once present. Another lifestyle habit that keeps our immune system strong is getting adequate sleep quantity and quality. To keep our immune system strong, 8 to 9 hours of sleep are required, even more if you exercise heavily. Olympic endurance athletes require 10 hours of sleep to recover from their training. Retired people shouldn't be the only ones who get enough sleep. The human body makes repairs and rebuilds the immune system while we sleep by releasing a substance called growth hormone. The majority of growth hormone is released in the last few hours of sleep, hours 7, 8, and 9. When we wake, growth hormone secretion is shut off, and another hormone called cortisol is released, which wakes us up and begins to break down stored fuel in the body for energy. If you are repeatedly waking by alarm clock and underslept, you're creating a hormone imbalance, where your body's creating much less growth hormone, which rebuilds the immune system, and more cortisol, which breaks down the immune system. The hormone imbalance created by long-term sleep deficiency contributes to many diseases such as arthritis, osteoporosis, and fibromyalgia. The most common cause of poor sleep quantity and quality is daily use of stimulants. Coffee, soda, and cigarettes are the big 3. Usually when a smoker quits, one of the first benefits they feel is better sleep quality from removing their nicotine intake. If you remove caffeine from your diet, you'll get better sleep, usually soon after quitting. One of the most common sleep problems I find in practice is patients who wake up around the same time each night, night after night. If you wake around the same time each night, you have a sleep problem called referred insomnia, where an organ under stress is waking you prematurely. You can address this referred insomnia and restore your quality of sleep. The solution comes from a Chinese medicine diagnosis, where it is understood that the body's organ systems operate like a clock, and while we sleep, certain organs become more active with increased blood supply at specific times during the night. If you're having difficulty falling asleep or waking between 11 and 1, you likely have referred insomnia coming from the gallbladder. You probably also have bloating, as the gallbladder regulates fat digestion in the body and can cause bloating. If you address the gallbladder dysfunction by working with your diet, chiropractic, Chinese medicine, or homeopathy, you will improve gallbladder function, quiet the organ down, and restore your quality of sleep. Between 1 and 3 a.m., the liver is the most active organ. Stress on the liver will wake you between 1 and 3 a.m. consistently. You may also have high blood pressure or cholesterol, which are also regulated by the liver organ. Between 3 and 5 a.m., the lungs are the most active organ system. If you get the stress off the lungs by working with your diet and other holistic modalities, you will improve lung function and restore your quality of sleep. If you can't sleep late even on your day off, no matter how late you go to bed, you likely have referred insomnia coming from the digestive system. The digestive system is the most active between 5 and 9 a.m., getting ready to digest food and get you moving. If your digestive system is under stress, you probably are a worrier, a coffee, diet soda, or alcohol drinker. If you remove stress on your digestive system with dietary interventions, chiropractic, Chinese medicine, and homeopathy, you will improve your digestion and restore your quality of sleep. So problems with sleeping are most commonly due to referred organ stress or daily use of stimulants, or a combination of causes that you can manage and improve with holistic modalities that are even more effective when combined, such as dietary interventions, chiropractic, Chinese medicine, and homeopathy. Restoring your sleep quality will strengthen your immune system and is also anti-aging medicine that will keep you looking and feeling young longer. To understand how chiropractic can help strengthen your immune system, it is helpful to have a working knowledge of how the spine and central nervous system function. The brain and spinal cord control and coordinate all immune responses in the body, much like your computer's hard drive controls your scanner. A line in the spine reduces nerve pressure and increases the information relay from the brain to the immune organs, increasing the immune system efficiency and effectiveness. If any of your spinal vertebrae lose their proper position within the spine, it creates a roadblock which diminishes the brain's ability to detect and respond to infections and other immune challenges. There is also research showing the effectiveness of chiropractic at strengthening the immune system. Fever is one of the body's best defenses against bacterial and viral infections. The body raises its temperature, which causes major problems for bacteria and virus ability to multiply by interfering with their enzyme function and depriving them of iron, a necessary nutrient. A fever below 105 degrees is beneficial and normal. It is a medical myth that you should try to lower a fever that is below 105 degrees. If someone you love is shivering with a fever, put a blanket on them, monitor their temperature every hour, and let their immune system work. Aerobic exercise such as walking fast or jogging for 30 minutes or longer also raises the body's temperature, producing a fever-like state. Aerobic exercise also superoxygenates the body's tissues, making it an unfavorable environment for bacteria and cancer to grow. So regular aerobic exercise helps your body fight bacteria, virus, and cancer, as well as giving you many other health benefits. To strengthen your immune system and become immune to illness and disease, it's necessary to restore your ability to sleep through the night, be able to sleep 8 to 9 hours per night, restore your digestive health, which means recover from any antibiotics you may have used, receive regular chiropractic and acupuncture care, remove coffee, alcohol, and artificial sweeteners from your diet, aerobic exercise 3 to 5 times per week for 20 minutes or longer, and the obvious 4 servings of fruits and veggies per day, and a daily multivitamin plus omega-3 and 6 fatty acids.